Yo yogis, today 3-minute take on pranayama. There's lots of different breathing exercises we can do in our yoga practice. I find one of the easiest, the most beneficial pranayama practices you can use is called the nadi shodhana, or the alternate nostril breath. So let's look at how we can use this, and you can add it to any practice in your home practice or in the studio. With your right hand, doesn't matter really which hand, but let's say traditionally we use the right hand. Make a fist, release your thumb, let go of the last two fingers, your ring finger, little finger, and braid it over so your ring finger is on top. Bring it in close to your face. This is Vishnu mudra, or pranayama mudra. Keep it close to your face. You're going to use your thumb and your ring finger to alternate your nostrils. Just lightly touch it on the side of the nostril. Don't stick it in the hole. Easy does it. Don't push too strong because it'll get stuck. You want it nice, easy, clear. How we work, you'll alternate the nostril with the breath. Keep a simple metronome, like a 4 count or a 3 count. Don't overstress. It shouldn't be, struggling in your breathing. It should be nice, easy, natural. Over time, you can add the durations. So for now, a short one, pranayama mudra, close to the face, spine up straight, full breath in. Exit everything out. Use your thumb, close your right nostril. Breathe in through your left side, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close the left, breathe out through the right side, 4, 3, 2, 1. In right. Close out left. That's one cycle. In left, out right. In right, out left. This is balancing our left side, right side energies. It's balancing the brain. It's had measurable effects on nervous system, on insomnia, and so many benefits. You can Google and see a whole list of what and why it's beneficial. For me, it's my favorite go-to meditation pranayama practice. At the end of my practice, just a few rounds, 3, 6, 9 rounds, shavasana, and we're good. So this is nadi shodhana pranayama, an easy way to start pranayama in your regular yoga practice.